are going to understand the next concept regarding the HRIS models. So HRIS, what is a HRIS models? Human Resource Information Models, which give a very good option for the companies. So there are different types of HRIS models will be there. So according to their company's efficiency or according to their requirement, they are going to choose a particular different types of models. So it is very important for the every organization to maintain that human resource information system. So there are different models will be there. So in that generally they are going to categorize into three major categories. So those are majorly three types of models are there. So let us going to understand. The first one is basic input output model. Basic input output model. So I am going to explain you what is the basic input output model by I designed one particular graph. I will also given that particular notes in your material. Okay, so let us go and see. Data processing, human resource research, human resource intelligence. Okay, so data processing is going to be common. So human resource research is come under the internal sources. These are come under internal sources. I will write these are under internal sources, and these two are come under external sources. This is about external sources. External sources. Okay, so this is about input what we are going to provide to the human resource information model. So this information model going to take input output model. So what we are going to give the input, these are the inputs, and so after you are going to process, after you are going to give these all set of inputs, then there is a processing will be going to take in place. What is that particular processing? That particular processing is nothing but the processing is going to be done using the HRIS database. Okay, so next what we get an output results for this. I will tell you. Workforce planning, recruiting, workforce manager, management, compensation, report. These are getting notes. Okay, so here I already written this particular HRIS model. In this HRIS model, human resource information system model, we are understanding the basic input output model. in this particular model we are going to provide as an input, that is data processing and human resource research for the internal resources. It is used for the internal resources, and external resources as human resource intelligence. What is human resource research? So what the organization previously worked on the human resource research in the information system, so that will becomes an internal source for as an input. Another one is human resource intelligence. So what is the new things they are going to take in? So what the new things are invented regarding the this particular human resource information, that will be get from the external resources. Okay, these all things is going to be applied as an input for processing of this particular data. Processing of this particular data will be taken care by HRIS database. So human resource information system database. So after processing we must get the output. So in the output there are various types of benefit we get regarding HRIS. What is that? Workforce planning. So what is the workforce planning we get? And recruiting is the functionality. Workforce management, compensations means appraisals, and benefits, environmental reporting. So these all will be a get and output for this. So this particular entire thing as a model, one of the model in HRIS models. Okay, we are going to understand next important model.